Would you believe this boring-looking building quietly makes millions every year? Most people ignore these businesses every single day, but they generate incredible cash flow. The biggest businesses aren't always exciting. They're often the ones solving everyday problems. People pay every month just to keep their belongings safe, creating predictable recurring income. These machines keep working all day, turning everyday laundry into reliable daily income. One customer after another, all day long. That's the power of automation. These businesses succeed because people need them again and again, not because they're flashy. The right location can quietly generate sales every hour of the day. Most people never see this business, but offices pay every month to stay clean and professional. Heating and cooling aren't luxuries, they're essential services that create repeat business year after year. Waste never stops, and that's exactly why this business generates predictable income year after year. The best businesses don't wait for problems, they prevent them, creating loyal, repeat customers.
Every one of these businesses shares the same secret. People need them again and again.
Instead of chasing trends, compare businesses based on demand, operating costs, and recurring customers. Successful owners focus on consistency, not excitement. The right business can become a long-term asset when combined with smart financial planning. Million-dollar businesses aren't always glamorous. They're often the most dependable. Focus on essential services, recurring income, and long-term value instead of chasing quick money. The next successful business opportunity might be hiding in plain sight if you know where to look. Smart wealth isn't built overnight. It's built by understanding great businesses. Follow Clean Money Guide for more practical financial education.